In this video, we are going to see about audiometer. Introduction. Audiometer is nothing but an instrument which is used to determine the person's hearing threshold. It is an instrument that is used to determine the person's hearing threshold, which is the audibility of the person. Audiometer is nothing but the embedded hardware in which the software is installed with the feedback button that is used for the test participant, which is occasionally used by the PC. That means the personal computer. It is also used to measure the hearing threshold. In order to know about the audiometer, we first see about how hearing occurs, how the hearing will occur for us. Sound waves activate the nerves in the nerves of the inner ear, so the hearing occurs. The sound then gets into the brain through nerve connection. The sound gets into the brain by two conduction. One is air conduction, another is bone conduction. The air conduction is nothing but the eardrum, ear canal and ear bone can carry all sound waves to the inner ear. In bone conduction, they can also carry by only the ear's bone. Okay. Then these are the image of the bone and air conduction. Working of the audiometer. Audiometer is used to deliver the tones of various frequency to the person's ear at various volume. It means that there will be waves of several frequencies which will be pushed to the person's ear at various volume. Then they will test the person's threshold, hearing threshold. From that threshold, we are able to get the output of the test. Based on the test, we are able to get the person's hearing ability. So the test carried by the audiometer is known as audiometry test. There are several types of audiometry tests, namely pure tone audiometry, speech audiometry, supra-threshold audiometry, self-recording audiometry and impedance audiometry. Now we are going to see about the pure tone audiometry. Pure tone audiometry is regarded as the gold standard for assessing the audiometry sensitivity. In this pure tone technique, we are just sensing the pure tone wave. Pure tone wave is nothing but the sinusoidal wave which is in the form of the sound wave. Actually, the sound wave is in the form of sinusoidal wave. In order to match the sinusoidal wave, we are sending the pure tone wave to the ear of the earphone in this test. The decibel level of the tone is perceived of 50% of the measured. So the audiogram is nothing but a graph obtained from the audiometry test. It is spanning from 250 Hz to 8000 Hz in this method. The image shows the audiogram, which is like a graph-like structure used to determine the hearing. There will be a model, normal, mid-model and the profound hearing losses. The X represent the left ear and the zeros represent the right ear. There will be based on the graph of hearing threshold level and the frequency hertz. Then based on working, there will be two types of audiometer, screening audiometer and diagnosis audiometer. Screening audiometer is typically a small audiometer which is of basic operations. It is used for doing a hearing screening in the field of other situations where the diagnostic audiometer cannot be used. Because the diagnostic audiometer is quite such big instrument, it is only used in clinics. So the places where the emergency situation occurs, there will be used a screening audiometer. It is smaller in size, portable and only uses to access the pure tone. It is only used for only pure tone audiometer test only. The range of frequency is more limited because it is a small instrument. The range of frequency is more limited when compared to the diagnosis test. Then the diagnosis audiometer. It is the instrument capable of performing various hearing tests, including pure tone audiometry. It has more features and flexibility than a screening audiometer, since it is used to diagnose the measure and hearing the abnormality. Then there are several parts of audiometer such as oscillator, attenuator, interpreter, switch, frequency dial, stimulus or tone switches, output selector and input selector and the talkback. Thank you.